Gray hard hats. A gray hard helmet is often offered to visitors to any job. Find one another on the job site to increase productivity. Employees can quickly locate a supervisor to ask pertinent inquiries. Every worker's job is clearly identified by their hard helmet. The fundamentals are the same despite the variations in color coding for various organizations and nations. White hard hats. White has been reserved for those in higher positions, such as supervisors, managers, architects, and engineers, as it is one of the simplest colors to see. Orange hard hats. Orange is necessary for road building because of its high level of visibility. Moreover, hoisting workers and traffic marshals require orange. Green hard hats. The color green is chosen by safety inspectors because it is typically associated with safety. Also, new hires don green to signify that they are still on probation. Red hard hats. Red typically represents danger or fire. Firefighters and emergency personnel use red hard helmets as a result. Yellow hard hats. Yellow is worn by general laborers to signify their lack of specialization. This comprises workers, earth movers, and heavy equipment operators. Gray hard hats. A gray hard helmet is often offered to visitors to any job. Blue hard hats. Both medical professionals and electricians wear blue. Brown hard hats. Brown names those who use equipment that generates a lot of heat, such welders. Pink hard hats. Every employee who fails to wear or loses their hard helmet will be punished with a pink hard hat. Pink is another short-term fix until a shattered hard helmet can be fixed or replaced. The hue is quite popular among female employees. We appreciate you watching this video. If you enjoyed this, please consider subscribing to my channel.